I'm sorry, folks. I had to come back, you know, because I'm watching Ren and Stimpy. Wow, me. Ren ate chicken sausages. Yes, indeed, water. Fell in love with with a moose head, I guess. Engaged to a woodchuck head. Hmm. I don't know what the hell I'm doing up this early. Yes, indeed. I'm just here sleeping, half sleep, half woke. I'm just joking. So chicken sausages and Stimpy started to quah. Why did he start to quah? I know why. Because Ren ate his girlfriend. No, Ren ate his wife. A damn chicken. Ren is right. He is an idiot. A very much idiot. Okay, that's it.